folks, I'm here at a new listing at 3426 Shady Forest Drive in Southern Meadows of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This home is just over 2,700 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, could be 5 if you include the bonus room, and there's so much here to love. I think you're really gonna like it. Have a look, let me know what you think. All right, that was 3426 Shady Forest Drive here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. For more information about this home or a private tour, or perhaps you want more information about marketing your own property, please reach out at the number below. Can't wait to hear from you.